Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the file open and edit permission. Now start. Click the blue Share button at the top right to open the sharing modal. Once it appears, scan the current access line to see if the link is restricted or already shared. If restricted, click Change to Open Link Settings. Make this first adjustment carefully. Changing link access affects everyone with the link, so decide whether you need viewer, commenter, or editor level before proceeding. Now refine how people get in. Select either restricted for named users only or anyone with the link to allow broad access. Choose based on sensitivity. Next, pick a role: viewer for read-only, commenter to allow feedback, or editor for full changes. If you're on a workspace account, restrict to your @domain. Com to limit exposure. You can also set access expiration for collaborators and toggle copy/download options under Advanced. These controls protect content while keeping collaboration efficient. Finish by clicking Copy Link and pasting it where recipients will find it: email, chat, or event invite. If you gave link access to anyone, consider adding specific people by email for auditability and notifications. Once shared, immediately verify. Open an incognito window or ask a colleague to test the link to confirm the role and restrictions. If someone reports a problem, reopen Share Settings, confirm their email is added, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.